Hi, I'm Anthony and I'm a paramedic, and I'm going to demonstrate to you how to carry out rescue breathing. The reason why we carry out rescue breathing is if the person is breathing less than 10 or greater than 30 breaths in a minute. Then we have to breathe for the casualty. Remove the pocket face mask and form it. Place it on to the patient's mouth. Form a head tilt chin lift and breathe. 1 1000, 2 1000, 3 1000, 4 1000, 5 1000, 1 1000, 2 1000, 3 1000, 4 1000, 5 1000. We give one breath every 5 seconds for a minute and then check his breathing rate again. This concludes rescue breathing.